How to save money during football season 2026. Most Americans are wasting thousands of dollars every football season without even realizing it. Football season quietly drains their bank account. The jerseys, the subscriptions, the food, the betting, the parties. And before the season even ends, they're wondering where all their money went. But here's the good news. You can still enjoy football season 2026 without going broke. In this video, I'm going to show you simple ways to save money during football season while still enjoying every game. Let's start. Part 1: Too many streaming services. First mistake: paying for too many streaming services. A lot of people subscribe to NFL packages, sports apps, cable TV, premium channels, all at the same time. And most of those subscriptions are barely used. This is one of the easiest ways to waste money. Instead, choose one main service. Split costs with family or friends if possible. And once football season ends, cancel the subscriptions immediately. Those small monthly payments may not look dangerous, but together, they can cost hundreds of dollars every year. Part 2: Game day food is expensive. Now let's talk about food. This is where many football fans lose a lot of money. Ordering pizza every weekend, buying expensive wings, paying delivery fees, buying drinks constantly. It adds up fast. Instead of ordering food every game day, cook at home. Buy snacks in bulk. Make simple meals. Or ask friends to bring food if you're hosting. You don't need expensive food to enjoy football. Most people are paying for convenience, not quality. And convenience is expensive. Part 3: Stop buying every new jersey. Another huge money mistake? Buying every new football jersey. Every season, companies release new designs, limited editions, special collections, because they know fans get emotional. And emotional spending destroys savings. Before buying football merchandise, ask yourself, do I really need this? Or, am I just excited right now? One smart rule is this: only buy football merchandise if it fits inside your monthly budget. That one habit can save you hundreds of dollars. Part 4: Sports betting can get dangerous. Now this part is important. Sports betting. Many people start with just $5. Just one bet. But small bets slowly become bigger bets. And suddenly, people are losing hundreds or even thousands of dollars during football season. If you choose to gamble, set a limit. And never chase losses. Because the fastest way to destroy your finances is emotional gambling. Remember, football should entertain you, not make you broke. Part 5: Create a football budget. One of the smartest things you can do during football season 2026 is create a football budget. Yes, an actual budget. Before the season starts, decide how much you'll spend on food, subscriptions, parties, betting, jerseys, tickets. Once you hit the limit, stop spending. That's how financially smart people stay in control. Because rich people plan their spending. Most people don't. Part 6: Enjoy football without going broke. Here's the truth. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars to enjoy football season. You don't need luxury seats. You don't need expensive parties. And you definitely don't need every new product being advertised online. The smartest football fans enjoy the season while protecting their money at the same time. Saving money is not boring. Saving money is freedom. So before football season 2026 becomes expensive, Start making smarter money decisions today. Your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. What's your biggest football season expense? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.